Want to learn how to use Wintoys on Windows 11? Wintoys is a free Windows optimization tool that brings system information, app management, startup controls, privacy settings, performance tweaks, and maintenance tools into one easy-to-use interface. In this guide, I'll show you the basics so you can start using Wintoys with confidence. Let's get started. First, launch Wintoys from the Start menu. After a few moments, the main dashboard will appear. The home page gives you an overview of your computer, including hardware information, storage usage, running processes, and other useful system details. Next, take a look at the navigation menu. You'll find sections for installed apps, startup management, performance, privacy, health, and system tweaks. Wintoys gathers many Windows tools into one application, so you don't have to search through multiple settings pages. Now try one of the built-in management tools. For example, you can review installed applications, manage startup programs, or adjust privacy settings. Before changing any advanced option, read its description carefully so you understand what it does and whether it's appropriate for your computer. Next, explore the performance and maintenance features. Depending on your version of Wintoys, you may be able to clean unnecessary files, manage services, access repair tools, and apply Windows optimization settings. These tools help simplify tasks that are normally spread across several Windows utilities. Whenever you make changes, apply only the settings you understand. Some tweaks may require administrator permission or a system restart before they take effect. If you're unsure about a particular option, leave it unchanged until you've learned more about it. And that's how to use Wintoys on Windows 11. Once you're familiar with the different sections, you'll be able to manage your system, improve organization, and access useful Windows features much more easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.